let us start new topic after refreshment and the resume of your class. And the chapter is very important and very interesting. It is about climate. You know, we always try to understand why sometimes it is raining, why it is sometimes so bitter cold, and it is harsh, hot day, a scorching sun day. Like these days, you feel rainfall occurs in our Bihar, in your city, in your town. Okay? So, this time we will enjoy not only climate, but you miss your what? Marriage ceremony. I will assure you to enjoy this topic, particularly rainfall as a wedding ceremony of rain in India. It is very obvious that Indian climate is very unique. Indian climate is unique. It is subtropical monsoon climate. Okay? In this chapter, before I am going to start anything, I would like to tell you learning objective of this chapter. What is the learning objective of this chapter? In this chapter, you will learn what is climate and what is the climate of India, why it is unique, okay, and distribution of temperature, pressure, variation, so many things, jet stream, ITCZ, intertropical convergence zone, what is the factors of affecting climate in India, distribution of rainfall in India, because of India, you know, in the previous video, quite often than not, I told you India is a mini world. So, in terms of climate, India having variation of in temperature, pressure, precipitation. So, its climate is very unique. In this video, you also learned how rainfall reaches in our place in entire India. Okay? So let us start first climate and weather. So what is climate? Okay? First we will go through weather. Weather refers to the state of atmosphere over an area at any point of time. That means this is for short period of time, not a duration. Okay? And climate refers to sum total of weather variation conditions over a large area and a long period of time, that means 30 or 40 years. So, dear students, that means in 30 or 40 years, large duration of time, large period of time, if any countries have similar pattern of weather, it is called what? Climate. That means climate is what? Made for weather conditions. Okay? So what is, you know, what is the climate of India? Indian climate is called subtropical monsoon climate. The word sans monsoon is Arabic word derived from Arabic word mausim, that means season, and the actual meaning of this monsoon is seasonal reversal. A very long period ago, Arabian navigator came quite very frequently. They came for the purpose of trade, and they felt what they felt seasonal reversal, some special category of wind which what conducive to their trade. So they put this wind name what? Monsoon. Okay. So what is the effect of, what is the element of weather and climate? The weather element or climate is temperature, pressure, wind, humidity and precipitation. Okay. So in next video we will discuss factors affecting India's climate and how these elements are affecting climate. Okay. Till then, bye bye and take care. Stay at home and enjoy your lockdown. Thank you.